Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisor channel. Here we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US buy stocks. Today we will have a look at Vipshop Holding Ltd, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name VIPC, VIPS. Well, VIPC is actually a very interesting stock because it's showing an indication of continuing its upwards wave, and it's quite nice preset for next week trading. So if you did not buy it today, maybe it's worth to see for some interesting entry points on Monday. To understand this, let's have a look for VIPS behavior. Historically, we usually start from the COVID depth. These days, being at 17th of March. From that moment, VIPS was showing. Actually, it didn't really suffer even from the COVID depth among other stocks. If you see that they were showing enormous losses, it just actually continued its previous wave. That started beginning of March and then just ended it, and then the recovery or next wave started. You can call it a different wave. So it's one of those rare stocks that didn't really suffer from COVID depth, and it was just steadily growing all the time. Actually, it showed two growth trends, slower one, and now seems like another one is going with a slight elevation of acceleration. So the trend 1 and the trend 2. And also for ease of our analysis, we have here three moving averages depicted being green, blue, and red line, moving average 20, 50, and 200 correspondingly. So from 17th of March, it was showing trend 1. It was actually reconfirmed many times at beginning of May, then slightly pierced, but again reconfirmed at about 19th of May. And beginning of June, and then it was like always giving double triple waves, also using moving average 20 as another support line. That was reconfirmed at 23rd of June, and then we used it as support line also 13th of June, and then actually beginning of this week, trading week, it was again volatile at the moving average 20, and actually at about 26th of July, it was again volatiling at trend 2 line, and then it seems like a new wave is starting. So it hit a little bit this week and moving average 20, and ended really again with solid body candle today, which is really rare for Friday and is good indication. So solid body candle is a candle which is not showing any shadows. So this is purely bullish market situation, although it's not huge candle, but it's solid. It also important to notice that it opened with jump in comparison with previous yesterday candle, and yesterday candle was actually almost a flying dragon. So it's a candle that has no body and no upper shadow, only down shadow. This one like that, and actually it was much lower than today's candle. So overall, you can say it's quite bullish indication. So this was combination like that of charts. So usually everything like this is very bullish combination, also giving the fact that moving averages 20 and 50 are showing, actually even 200, all three moving averages showing not only positive uptrend but also first and second derivative being positive, meaning that it's all moving averages are going up with acceleration. Also, it is important to notice that from the beginning of the current trend that started 26th of June, also RSI indication was just sitting in the middle, and now it's showing a positive uptrend heading to overbought this area above 70. So as in previous waves, these were tops of peaks of the waves and peaks of those. So now it means that this current wave is just about to start and it's not yet reached the peak. So once we go to overbought, also like here, in many cases we saw similar situation, then we know that the wave is actually about to end, and we had it many times. Here was a smaller one, but okay, it's still a clear indication with RSI. So that's what we can clearly expect as an indicator of the end of current wave. There is still capacity to grow. So next week, probably till mid of week or end of week, it should be trying to find its new maximum of this current wave. Also, if you look at MACD, Divergence Convergence Index, it's showing a classical double down wave here, 1 and 2, and now it's at 0 today, Friday, also very positive. So it's kind of tending to pierce upwards also pushing the price up, and this is also very bullish. So overall, all indications are very bullish for the stock, although some volatility is possible, not forgetting that it started with jump up today and did bodiless, shadowless body candle, so it might open somewhere in the middle of this current candle, so maybe somewhere here in these levels. If you look at this candle as a magnification of this situation, could be somewhere here, but also might be some volatility like that, but then it's, of course, it's inevitably willing to go upwards because it needs to finish the wave, and trend 2 line is confirmed now. It's very solid, so it will be reconfirmed, I think, another couple of times during next month. That was it for Vipshops. Very good stock, very rare stock in comparison to others. Didn't show any significant depth, actually almost no depth on the COVID situation, just wave reconfirmation. This makes it very good feeling of it, so it's like free of all these COVID things and shows steady growth. Good luck with it, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.